Lime ball press: reasonable structure, smooth operation, low energy consumption. Wear parts: roller selection of high-quality high-chromium alloy steel forgings, after strict heat treatment and fine machining, with high-strength performance, and off-the-ball easy. Ball and socket specifications and shape can be customized according to user requirements or use. The main structure of the transmission system: host frame, reducer, the corresponding position of the belt conveyor, the preloading device and the ball groove of the roller sleeve, hydraulic system and electronic control. Lime ball press are composed of screw feeding device. Screw feeding device is driven by speed regulating motor, driven by the pulley reducer. The material is forced into the feed port. Lime ball press has protection device. Not only can protect the normal operation of the machine, but also can protect the machine operator.